As a property investment analyst and a qualified property investment advisor, I'm often asked which is the best state to buy property in. But that's not necessarily the best question. There are over 9.4 million dwellings across Australia, and those numbers increase around 130 to 160,000 new dwellings every year. So on average, every week there's over 2,500 properties coming onto the property market. Now, if you compare that to the Australian Stock Exchange, there's only around 2,200 stocks to choose from. So with such a big marketplace, state versus state really is irrelevant. What you need to understand when you're trying to understand the science of getting a good property investment return is where is the true demand happening in that locality. So in other words, if you're looking at Sydney, there are still opportunities within the Sydney marketplace. If you're looking at Brisbane, where do the opportunities present themselves in that marketplace at the time? And of course, Melbourne as another big city is where are those opportunities as well. So every city is going to have opportunities for you in the particular marketplace. So you need to drill down. And how you drill down is you need to come to the basics, supply and demand. Where is there tight supply and where is there strong demand? And how do you work out those? Supply, you can look at what's coming online in regards to the ABS showing you building approvals and what's coming online. And if you've got limited land supply, the other thing you need to look at is then saying, okay, well, how is that supply going to increase? Is it going to be through medium or high density units coming on? If you've got a lot of vacant land, well, there's little supply issues, so you're going to see some challenges around capital growth in that particular marketplace. On the demand side, some of the key indicators or leading indicators are things like clearance rates, so watching a suburb in terms of how they're clearing, and then looking at generally about days on market and the overall stock on market available. There's some great indicators that will start you on your journey to working out where the best area is to buy and then fine-tuning to try and identify the most appropriate property in that particular area. All the best with your investing.